Zimbabwe Prison and Correctional Services, ZPCS, Commissioner General Dr. Moses N. Chovu has announced plans to convert former prison killing sites into museum. Salimana mashoko awatoona kuti mutungamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe achibvisa death penalty tinoti nzvimbo aiwa dzaurayirwa vanhu yakuda kunzi yava museum. Salimana mashoko aiwa atoona vanhu vachikondema this move. Kuti subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tipina pana pamuzimu ebunanyura chiti. This move follows the abolishment of the death penalty by Mr. Mnangagwa. According to Dr. Chovu, these museums will serve as a reminder of the country's past and help preserve its history. Such museums can educate visitors about the events, promoting awareness and understanding of the importance of human rights emphasized. And the conversation of these sites into museums is also expected to have economic benefits. Dr. Chovu noted that the sites can also be used as tourist attraction centers, which can be used to generate revenue for the organization as well as contribute to the national economy. This initiative is a significant step towards promoting human rights and preserving Zimbabwe's history. As the country moves forward, it's essential to remember its past and learn from it. Tomashoko atumuda panapa toona kuti aiwa vakomana vemuzimu aiva rufambira nhau iye vachiona kuti ZVCS aiwa yauya nemashoko avari kuti aiwa nzvimbo dzaiurayirwa vanhu amuziva kuti pava pachiri nethat death penalty yakunzi aiwa to preserve our own history, let us just convert it toita a national museum. Todze mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi papinda comment section medu. So subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.